This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. Open house Friday 2/24 from 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. and Saturday 2/25 from 11 o'clock to 1 p.m. First time on the market in 23 plus years. Concrete block construction, CBS, with updated kitchen and bathrooms. Swimming pool surrounded by fenced yard with 8x10 shed plus half bath poolside. Wood-burning fireplace for cozy ambience on those occasional cool winter nights. Existing flood insurance policy is transferrable. Buyer to provide current pre-qualification letter or proof of cash funds with offer first opportunity to show, Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. or Saturday 11 to 1 at open house. For more information, review the details below.